second. For sure, handang-handa ka. But this, you know what? This is just so easy. I mean, what made you decide, of course, to join the Pickup Coffee family? I mean, we saw your shoot, your campaign, and I could definitely tell that you had fun. But you know, as anything in particular that excites you about working with Pickup?
Wow. So many things excite me about working with Pickup. Yes, you mentioned the shoot. That was so fun to shoot. Actually, si Mateo nandun siya, their whole team.
Feeling ko siya yung sige na, mag-kick ka.
Oo,
Ganon.
siya ikaw nagsabi nun, di ba, na kailangan mag-kick ng ganun. Donnie, kaya mo ba? Ginawan, sabi nila, ay kaya, sige gawin natin.
Guys,
And what I
you're an
love,
athlete.
what I love about the Pickup Coffee team, they're also a young group, and we were able to share our ideas, collaborate, and it really felt like, you know, I was with people who really share the same purpose and share the same goal. My fans actually know this, my supporters know this. Pre-pandemic, I wasn't really a coffee drinker. I learned to love it. I learned to love it not just as a way to wake up during shoots, but also like to drink casually. And we really would order Pickup Coffee as a team during that time. Pero secretly lang. Siyempre, wala naman kami sinasabi. What I love about Pickup Coffee is because it's premium espresso, you would expect it to be expensive. You expect it to be kind of hard on the bank account or not for your average person to buy, which sucks, diba? Because everyone deserves to have good coffee. But with Pickup Coffee, everyone can enjoy 100% Arabica beans, premium espresso at an affordable price. So when I also met the team and the welcome was such an amazing experience, it just felt like good vibes. I was like, this is a great team to work with, and I'm glad with what we've come up with so far and can't wait for the next part of our partnership.
Yes, I mean, for sure, everyone is just so excited, diba? And shout out, of course, to our Pickup Coffee team as well, of course, for
Shout
this
out to you guys.
successful event as well. But you know what, Mateo, ikaw naman yung tatanungin ko this time. So what made Pickup Coffee choose Donnie naman as its newest endorser? Gusto ko yung nag-side comment siya. Oo nga, ano ba?
Sabi niya, oo nga, sabi ko. No, there's many reasons. There are an infinite amount of reasons why Donnie should be our endorser. He's authentic, he's sincere, he's charismatic. He's very much fit to our brand and our mission. But personally, one of the biggest reasons why we love that Donnie is now part of the Pickup family is because of his ability to uplift the people around him. That's something we're very big on in Pickup Coffee, being able to uplift through our beverages, and who is able to uplift others like Donnie Pangilinan. Guys, di ba? Do you agree?
But that's so true. I mean, I can definitely agree with you. Di ba kaya pagdating pa lang, for the very first time di ba kasi iba kapag nakikita mo si Donnie on cam, tapos parang yung kilig ko ngayon, parang 10 times, parang yung charm talaga niya, na parang it draws attention. So just like, of course, our Pickup Coffee beverages as well. So speaking of, connections, drawing attention, Donnie, now that you're officially part of the family, I think everyone is dying to know what's been your go-to pickup.
My go-to pickup. You know, we did a lot of taste testing, especially during our shoot. So I've tried a lot and
Okay.
everything is really good. Don't worry guys, iikot ako dyan mamaya. Diyan na kayo. Iikot ako dyan. Alam ko medyo malayo kayo dito, so ako mismo pupunta dyan. Ako bahala sa inyo. My favorite would have to be siguro. Well, again, everything is really good. It's the perfect mix of variety of flavors, premium espresso. But I would have to go with Kape Castilla. Yeah. I was just drinking it a while ago before going down. That's real.
Really? Okay.
And I think it's just perfect. It's super easy to drink. It's the flavor I crave for. And before an event or if I just want to drink casually, that's probably my go-to. Kape Castilla.
Sino dito yung mga Kape Castilla enjoyers?
Uy.
Let us know.
Gusto ko lang sabihin, ang dami nagtatag sa akin na umiinom sila ng Pickup Coffee. Maraming salamat na nakikita namin lahat yun. And what I love about Pickup Coffee, it's everywhere. So no matter where you are, here in the country, you can order it and it will be within like probably a couple of kilometers or miles away from you. So maraming salamat for bringing us all around the country, Pickup Coffee. And special shout out din kay Sir Francis na nandito. Thank you. Ay, diyan ka pala.
Yung
Yung
pala,
spotlight
Sir
kasi
Francis.
namin. Maraming salamat po. Uy, si Direk Miguel. Thank you, Direk.
All right. Since we've been talking about that pickup coffee, they balance premium quality with being so accessible. You know what, Donnie? I would like to ask, how does Pickup Coffee's promise of affordability and accessibility resonate with you? I mean, with that kind of messaging.
No, like I said a while ago, I think everyone deserves to have premium coffee. And paano yung sigaw?
Ay, wait lang, nasan siya? Ay,
Parang-
nandun ata sa pinakataas.
Ano ba nagagal? Ay, dito pala. Hello.
Ayan.
Hello po. Maraming salamat po. Mapapaus ka na dyan, ha? Thank you, thank you. No, I would say because a lot of my supporters, some of them are still students, some of them just started working, we really have to maximize where we put our funds, our budget. And what I love is that with Pickup Coffee, hindi siya masakit sa bank. And it won't hurt your pockets to be able to enjoy quality. And when we did the whole campaign, when I found out that it was 100% Arabica beans, nandun pa rin siya nakapack. They'll only do bean to cup when it's already ordered. Oh, totoo yun, di ba? When it's ordered, doon sila maglalakaplas ng mga beans nila. That's when you know that you're working with a great company.
Pasado ba? Pasado yung answer. Tama.
This is not even part of that script.
Yeah.
It's completely
Guys,
Donnie. So you asked a while ago why Donnie, and Donnie really goes above and beyond.
Yeah. Interesting. Alright, but what about you, Mateo? I mean, what do you hope, lalong-lalo na we have, like a lot of supporters who are here today. What do you hope your pickup friends, take away, from this campaign?
Yeah, I think Donnie brushed on this earlier, but he mentioned accessibility. So I think for me, it's that a really, really delicious, uplifting cup of coffee is just one pickup coffee away, right? Premium espresso in every cup, 300 branches nationwide, starts at 50 pesos only.
Yeah.
So there's really nothing stopping you
I know.
from elevating your coffee experience.
Alright, I like the answers, ha? Kayo ba, guys? Nagustuhan niyo na ba yung mga answers, of course, ni Donnie and Mateo? Alright! But anyway, ito naman, this is your last question. So this is for Donnie. If you could share a cup of pickup coffee with anyone, who would it be and why?
If I could share a cup with
Yes.
anyone,
Sino to and bakit?
it would have to be with everyone here right now on SM Mega Mall. Lahat ng tao na nandito. I would share one with them because I know how much, these guys have to go through also. They've been waiting for a while and they've been supporting me throughout these years, and the least I can do is share a cup with them. So that would probably be my answer.
Aww, ang sweet naman nun. Parang, syempre, di ba sa fangirl, nakakakilig talaga. But anyway, thank you so much, of course, for answering questions from